We are now going to butter poach lobster tails, and not just any butter. We have a very special white truffle tarragon butter. Tarragon is exceptional with lobster and seafood, and then white truffle, you know, it's to die for. So we are going to take the lobster meat out of the tail. The easiest way to do that is to grab some kitchen shears and just cut along the bottom side of the lobster tail. There's this little membrane there. These tails are completely thawed, and they should come out with relative ease. That's the most important part. Yep, piece of cake. Pull it right out of the shell. And we put that to the side. Do the next tail. Again, you see here we're just cutting right along the bottom of the tail. And this allows us to get at the meat really easily. We just pull that up, dig our thumb in, give a little pull. Be somewhat gentle. You don't want to, do too much. And then again, we want to look for the membrane. It's in there. We just pull that out real quick. Just pull back here, look for the membrane. This guy looks clean. And then we're going to place the lobster right in there. Okay, and it's going to cook pretty quick because the shell isn't protecting it. And we're going to turn the lobster often because we want it to thoroughly cook, and you can see how beautiful that looks. That white truffle tarragon butter is going to get nice and mixed in all throughout. Okay, we've successfully butter poached our lobster tails. Lobster tails always curl up a little bit. This is great finger food. So if you just want to cut little chunks, and then I took some of the butter that we cooked in, put it in a ramekin, and then you can simply have some cocktail forks. Take the butter, get some cocktail forks, gather around the table, grab the lobster, put it in the butter. It's amazing. This is gonna make everybody at your party wish you had more parties. Butter poached lobster tails, always a winner.